We have the best furnace repair services Fredericksburg, Virginia can offer. Call us today for a free quote. 540-295-6697. D&L Mechanical Services, your furnace repair company in Fredericksburg. We are here to help you with all your furnace repair needs in Fredericksburg and all surrounding areas. Our company is dedicated to providing the highest quality service available at the lowest price possible. We use only the highest quality parts on every job and back our work with a full 100% money-back guarantee. Whether you need furnace repair or furnace installation, you can trust that we will provide you with nothing but the best. The company in Fredericksburg, Virginia you hire should be able to provide all these services and more. You need to ensure that they provide the best possible service. This means hiring a company that is well known for its quality work. In order to get the best service, you will have to spend some time looking for a furnace repair Fredericksburg, Virginia company. There are many companies out there that offer their services on the internet, but you should look for one that can offer you the best quality service at an affordable price. The price of the repair service should be reasonable as well as affordable. It would also be better if you are able to find a company that offers discounts for multiple repairs so that it would cost you less money in the long run. Are you having trouble with your furnace? Need it fixed now? We at D&L Mechanical Services have more than 25 years of experience in furnace repair and service, and have put together a few tips on how to help you make an informed decision when looking for a reliable HVAC contractor. Call us today 540-295-6697.